Hello and welcome to a tutorial video on how to register for Hospitality Career Days by Workathlon. If this is the first time you're using Workathlon's platform, you need to enter your information. Enter your first name, last name, email and password, then tick the boxes and click Get Started. If you already have an account in Workathlon, you will receive this message. You will have to click Login and enter your info there. You will end up at the same page as new users will. Then you will have to click Events on the left side of the page and Hospitality Career Day event will be shown. You will click the green button that says Register for Event and you're registered. Congratulations! When you click OK, the list of the participating hotels will appear and make sure that you see their availability and you book your interviews. After your registration is completed, you will receive an email with details about the event and a link so that you can add it to your calendar. Make sure you don't forget to book your interviews and upload your CV so that your profile is completed.